and welcome to Delightful, Delicious, Delovely. My name is Christina Elise, and today I'm going to be making a sort of a copycat salad from a restaurant here in Los Angeles called the Ivy. There's one in sort of West Hollywood, Beverly Hills on Robertson Avenue, Boulevard, Robertson, and one by the water in Santa Monica. This salad is fantastic. It's one of the most expensive things on their menu. It's kind of bizarre, but it's really easy to make. I haven't posted in about a month now, or maybe not a month, but I haven't posted in a long time because it's been fucking hot here. It's been like 100 degrees up to 110, and I don't have air conditioning in my house. I have this little fan back here oscillating, but it doesn't do much if the room is hot. So it is just, and my office is upstairs, which is in the hottest room of the house. So even if I could manage to shoot something down here, I could not sit in my office and edit it. So I apologize for the big gap in my posting. All right, so I don't have to even assemble this for you. I can just tell you how it's done. I grilled on my grill. I have a grill on my stove. You can also do it in a grill pan. I grilled 2 ears of corn. I grilled them inside their husk, and then once the husk was all burned, I peeled them, and they look not all the way brown, but they have a little bit of burny bits and a little bit of not. On this plate, besides this corn, I also grilled a big bunch of asparagus, a single zucchini that I sliced pretty thickly, a single yellow squash, a single red bell pepper. I have an avocado here that I'm going to chop up, and on this plate is the non-grilled items. On it is half of a cucumber diced, 2 or 3 radishes diced, a handful of cherry tomatoes cut in half, and some red onion diced. Now that's just what you put on top of the salad. For the lettuce, I like to use arugula, or a combination of arugula and iceberg. You could use watercress, you could use butter, you could use a combination, you could use mixed field greens, any kind of greens that you prefer or have around. And then you could also add, it's been a while, I'm a little bit rusty, any kind of protein you want, whether that be Beyond Meat chicken strips, or, good lord, this fly, or garbanzo beans, or black beans, or if you eat fish, you could add salmon. If you eat meat, I suppose you could add chicken and that kind of thing. But this salad does not need those things to be awesome. I had a dinner party here recently. This fly is a fucking asshole. I had a dinner party here a couple of weeks ago in the heat, and people were really blown away by this salad. So avocado, the ingredients I'm using are avocado, grilled corn, grilled zucchini, grilled yellow squash, grilled asparagus, grilled red bell pepper, tomatoes, red onion, cucumber, and radishes. Now I'm going to just make the dressing. Oops. So this dressing is sort of a taste thing. I am going to put the juice of these, that's about 1.5 limes I have here, I'm going to squeeze. You could use a dressing that you already have, by the way. You don't have to use this sort of copycat dressing that I'm using, or making. By the way, if you don't have one of these little plastic salad dressing shakers, you should get one. If you make homemade dressing very often, it has a little wire coil spring in there that mixes up and emulsifies the stuff really nicely. Is emulsify the right word there? I don't know. Sounded good. Been doing a lot of horror conventions around the country this year, about one a month, where I got this shirt, the last one. This is the Soska twins. I worked for them on a game show they did called Elevator. They are the sweetest people on earth and huge, huge animal lovers. But this show, I got the shirt at a show in, where was I? It was Chicago. It was Flashback Weekend. The weekend before, I did Mad Monster. The month before Mad Monster. The month before that, I did Texas Frightmare in Texas. I did a Mad Monster in North Carolina. I've been doing about one a month because this is the 30th anniversary of Chucky. So the first Chucky was made 30 years ago this year. So, but they've been getting a bunch of us out there. So I'm going to equal parts. I can just actually eyeball it. Equal parts olive oil to lime juice. That might be a little bit heavier. That's okay. I don't like a really sweet dressing, but I'm going to add a tablespoon. This is agave. And I'm going to add a tablespoon. This is white balsamic. You can use any kind of balsamic or rice wine vinegar or vinegar. That's about a tablespoon of that. And some salt and pepper, and then I'm going to taste it and see how it is. There's pepper. There's really no excuse not to make your own dressings. They're super, super easy to do, and you don't have any of the chemicals and preservatives and stuff, and you can control how much oil is in them, which is nice. Alright, let's taste it, see how it came out. That's great. That's a tasting. You might want more lime, more sugar, more balsamic, but that works, and it'll be a nice complement to the salad itself. Of course, I don't have a fucking towel. I'll be right back. Towel. And yeah, that's it. That is it. That is my Copycat Ivy salad. This amount here with the greens should feed two really, really well as an entree, especially if you add any kind of protein to it and then more filling. Oh, I also wanted to mention that I am so totally in love with, pulling it out of the trash, these corn spicy chicken patties. They are vegan. It says giant vegan up there in the corner. They are a little bit spicy. I am completely in love with these. 120 calories each. I just nuke them. And then I cut them into strips, and I use some arugula and some tomato and maybe some avocado, and I put them in the wraps, and I have them for dinner. I'm a huge fan, and it's like $5 for 4 of them. Big fan of that. And corn, you have to be careful because a lot of their products are not vegan, but those spicy chicken patties are. And that is that. Again, I apologize for taking a big break. The hot months in Los Angeles are typically August, September, and October. September in particular is brutal. So yeah, I'm going to try to get some stuff. Whenever I have a cool day, I'll try to bank a bunch and have them sitting ready to roll out. It would help me also if you guys had any requests. Back there. If you had any requests for things you'd like me to make that I haven't done yet, I'm open to suggestions. So yeah, this is my Twitter and Instagram handles. Yeah, please subscribe. And until next time, thank you.